Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. According to a GMT over there, welcome back to Oxygen Graphics. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make a professional business card for your client. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like this video, share and comment, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop any amazing videos like this. So let's move down to our Pixellab Pro and let's start today's tutorial. So the first thing that we are going to do, we resize it to the size of business card. So the size is, on this part we leave it at 91 and this 61. So this is the size of business card, as you can see, and we are going to add from our gallery. The shape, the image that I will drop in the description, if you do not get the accurate size, you can use this as the background. So let's resize this to 100. This is what we are going to do. Let's use this as our background first. So we are going to use this as our background for an accurate size. So we have to delete this one, we do not need it anymore. So the next thing is that we add the second thing from our gallery. This is simple and fast. So resize this also to 100. After this, we will lock it. So after this, add a text and edit the text as 0. So position it at the middle. The meaning of this 0 is that we want to generate a QR code, and we go to our font. So move down, you see this QR code. So click on anyone, or if you know that you don't want to use 0, you can use any letter of your choice. So what we are going to do here is that we place it at the middle and add another shape. So change the color of this to white and bring this 0 up and change the color to black. So merge the two together. After merging, resize it and bring it here. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we add a text, and the text we write Oxygen Graphics in capital letter. So come to this bold, no, not font, I mean bold, and put it only on Oxygen and bold it. So come to color here and change the color. So bring it only on graphics and change the color. Change everything back to white.
So I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine. I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in,
So after this, we add another text.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable.
Yeah, so after this we add the telephone number.
If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working hella hard until
Before we add that telephone number, let's go back to this.
fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving.
No,
Yeah,
let's continue, don't worry guys. Let's add the number.
everything I do, I'm just being genuine.
The number will be don't try to call this number. This is not my own number, I'm just using it for this design.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
And this one we add their website. So this is our website. So let's bring it down a little bit. Yeah, so after this we will copy this one also and edit it, so the address will be opposite. So come to this spacing and reduce it. So after reducing, we bring it down. Yeah, so you can see how beautiful this is. We are done with the front page. We are done with the front page of this, so we can just save this one. Yeah, so after we save this is what we are going to do next. We hide all everything, I mean everything. It will remain only the background. So after we hide everything, we add a shape and give it a radius also. So let's pick this color. Okay.
always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's.
What we are going to do now is that
keep my head up when
we
I
place
act.
it at this middle
Never
down.
back, I'ma keep
I'll
myself
move it up a
check,
little
keep my head
bit.
up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know
So we'll copy this
never give up, never slow, till I
and give this one stroke.
I just wanna keep moving.
No, we can just reduce this opacity first. Just reduce the opacity and give it a stroke. So let's leave this at 8 and change the color of this stroke to the color also. So resize it, let it be blue.
I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the songs, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do.
Yeah, so after this we add another shape and change the color to this.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
So this one we will copy it and send it to this side. Yeah, so after this step, let's lock it. Let's lock what we have added so far and add their logo. I will add my logo from gallery. So after this, let's go back to this website and we will unhide it. So and we resize it. After we resize it, let's change it to capital letter and place it at the middle. So at this step we bold it a little bit and resize this to 25. Place this at the middle and move it down a little bit. Yeah, you can see how beautiful this is. So at this point I think we are done with this business card. So save this one also, save it as image png and place it in Ultra. So after this Ultra, let's go back to our default and add the two we have saved from our gallery. So add the second one too from our gallery. So let's change the color of the background to white. After this, bring this down a little bit and let's raise this up a little bit. So let's give the two shadow, and this one too, let's give it a shadow. Yeah, so you can see how beautiful this business card is now. Thank you for watching Oxygen Graphics one more time. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly like this video, share and comment, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop any amazing videos like this. See you guys in my next tutorial. Peace out.